Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unban OkCupid account. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your preferred web browser. Once you're in your browser, tap on the search bar and search for OkCupid help. Now select the first link from the results. It will open up the page like this. So scroll down and here you can see contact us option, tap on it. Now again select contact us from here. Once you're in the contact us page, you can see this click here link over here, tap on it. Here you can see this drop down list, tap on it. You need to select your issue here. So in order to unban your OkCupid account, you need to select the ban and content removal appeal option, tap on it. It will open up further options below. You need to fill up all these informations, provide your email associated with your account, provide a description about why your account should be unbanned, and below that you can provide your phone number. You can again select the appeal type. This time select the ban appeal option. It will further open up the reason for appeal option, tap on it. So you can select the options accordingly. If you have any attachments or screenshots of the issues that you are facing, you can add the file over here too. After you fill out all these information, here you can see the submit button. You can tap on the submit button and the process to unban your account will proceed further. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.